वी आर टेस्टिंग, लेग गार्ड खुल चुका है। अगर बाइक गिरती है so is the oil cooler going to get exposed or damaged? So let us say there is a crash. This video is specially for you, Wild Pitbull, and your request that you wanted to see rally suspension and standard seat. How does it feel? And so today we have again couple of hikes. We will be testing with 5.7, disputed 5.7. Then we will be testing with Mr. Chaudhary. What's your height? 5'4". He again says he's 5'4", but I think he's 5'5". पता नहीं यहाँ height का बहुत गड़बड़ है. Beep Baba, you already know he's 5'10". So let's see. It's a stock seat, and here it's a rally. It's those extended front forks. The forks are kind of, the seat or the front is lowered by about half an inch. And now we will request Saurav to sit on the bike. And so Saurav is 5'4", okay, and with 5'4", you can see that if he is trying to take off, you will struggle. It's not going to be easy. Anish, you'll have to, okay, he managed. So if you are 5'4" and you have a stock seat with a rally extended thing, suspension, this is how it's going to be, okay. There is obviously a little bit. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. एक पैर आप ऊपर कर दो. Supposing आप कर रहे हो now, हाँ, flat foot. So even if 1 foot, हाँ, now he is able to flat foot. But then if you see, he's kind of standing. He's not actually seated. But अगर आप 5-4 हो और एक बार बाइक चल पड़े तो आप फिर भी चला लोगे. That is my assumption.
ट्रैफिक में प्रॉब्लम होगा.
हाँ. So traffic obviously will be a problem. So thank you, Saurav. So that was 5'4" on a rally kitted Xpulse minus the rally seat. Okay. Let's see if he's able to put the stand back. Yes. So see, if you're 5'4" and mind it, he's just wearing an absolute flat shoe. There is zero heel. There is nothing on his. एक बार जूता दिखाएंगे उठा के. So practically no heel at all. Anish, who's 5'7". And on 5'7" he is pretty comfortable. Anyways, he is comfortable even with the rally seat. और एक साइड का footrest पे पैर रखो. So and he is able to flat foot. So 5'6" also I assume will not be a challenge. 5'6", 5'7", if you are that height, this is absolutely okay for you. Thank you, Anish. If you are somebody in the vicinity of 5'10", so now the question that I want to ask Uday is, with a rally seat and a stock suspension, you were able to flat foot both your legs. If we look at the previous video, are you able to flat foot your legs with a suspension? एक बार करो, flat foot करो दोनों. नहीं. So अगर आप ध्यान देंगे तो सिर्फ रैली सीट लगा के कल he was able to flat foot both his legs. बढ़िया. अगर आप उधर दोनों पैर नीचे कर सकते हो. So even at 5'10" he is able to flat foot, right?
चप्पल पहन के.
हाँ, वो पॉइंट है. It is a चप्पल. Both his legs. बढ़िया. अगर आप देख रहे हो ना तो heels are up by an inch. So obviously, if you are installing the rally seat, that's slightly lower, and if you are keeping the stock seat and installing the suspension, it will be higher. Thank you, Uday. And this is Uday. So Uday has a lot of bikes. Okay, how many bikes do you have? Can you give them a count?
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. भाई को याद भी नहीं है तो इसको कहता है रहीसी. So this is one of his 5, 6, 7 bikes. He also has a Himalayan for his rally. He has Impulse. He has Xpulse. This is one of my CRF projects that is kind of happening. So the whole body kit has been done. Currently there is a stock engine. We are testing. लेग गार्ड खुल चुका है. अगर बाइक गिरती है so is the oil cooler going to get exposed or damaged? So let us say there is a crash and जिसकी बाइक है उसी को बोल रहे हैं गिराएगा, प्यार से गिराएगा. So कांटेक्ट हुआ फुटरेस्ट पे, गिराओ पूरा, गिराओ जाएगा. अजय चल. ये गिर गया है हैंडल बार के ऊपर. There is adequate space, if you can see. At least 3 inches. Let us say handle थोड़ा आस्ते आस्ते रखना हाँ. Handle इस साइड भी गिर रहा है, so the oil cooler is safe. So it has been positioned in a way that it will not damage.
Listen.